How's it going, everybody? This is Justin Savage with MarineMax Venice. We're inside the showroom here, and we're on aboard a brand new 2026 Sea Ray 280 SLX. Moving from the back in, we'll go over a few features. This one is powered with twin 250 V8s in white, ties together the hull color. Back here, you can see this is kind of the lounge area of the boat where you're going to spend most of your days out on the water. There's a lot of cool features back here. I'll go over a few. One being the amount of storage you have back here. So you have a hookup for an air compressor if you want to blow up any kind of pool toys to float around out in the water. You can see there's just ample storage under there for beach bags and life jackets and fenders and everything to keep the clutter out of the cockpit. And then back here, as we move over a little bit, you can see that this is a nice insulated compartment here for ice and drinks and sandwiches and anything like that while you're hanging out off in the back in the sandbar. As you move through, you have a nice solid walkthrough. You're not stepping over anything. It's kind of clutter free and makes an easy way into the cockpit where you can see there's a ton of room to sit here. So this one's kind of set up in beach mode. You have your aft shade extended out. We have the bow shade up there, and we got all the tables in place. So this is nice if you want to have a little conversation, sit around. There's a ton of storage under everything in here. This one actually runs through the back into the compartment you saw in the rear. It's kind of flows through the entire boat, so lots and lots of space there. Under this seat here, you have another insulated compartment, and then you have room for a actual hard cooler or soft cooler, because you can never have too many drinks on the boat. You also do have a fridge here if you want to keep. I personally like to put food items in the fridge because ice melts and it gets all water, and you don't want your food all soggy. So moving through, that's a lot of versatility here. This seat here actually swivels so you can be part of the conversation in the cockpit, along with the helm seat here does the same. So everyone can be part of the conversation. With this forward, you have a very nice laid out helm, twin screens, Fusion sound system, joystick operating, trim tabs, everything you need to do, see and know is all in here, very intuitive. Switches are very nicely labeled. It's very easy to navigate through this as you're underway. We're on the port side. You have a nice large head, plenty of space to jump down there. I'm 5'11", and I can get down there with plenty of room for my head. Moving forward into the bow, you'll find nice deep seating up here. I really like to point this out because even underway, if you're sitting up here, they're nice high. You don't feel like you're getting thrown out of the boat, and you got nice grab handles here to hold on to, along with armrests, so it's very comfortable sitting up here. And then obviously you have a full table if you want to be eating and stuff like that up here as well. And these are removable, and there is dedicated storage for it, so they're not rattling around in the boat when you're underway. And last but not least, as I mentioned, you have a nice bow shade. No one's getting sunburn under here while you're out hanging out. And then with those down, you have a full power tower. This is great because it's electric, and as you're going, if say you get caught in rain or anything, this will actually lower down to the height of the windshield and keep you out of the rain and keep you dry, because weather turns quick. So it's nice to be able to lower that down, and with people sitting, it doesn't restrict any kind of height to sit there and everything. So and the controls for that are right there. It's very easy. So a lot more to go through the boat, but that's just a few features that I like and I like to point out. But come on by to MarineMax Venice. We'd love to show you in person. Thanks, guys.